So we are here. What kilometer? 80 kilometers. 80 kilometers in and going strong. Just now, Murugan, Chandru, Raj, they finished. Manish, how was it?
Oh, awesome.
Awesome, na. And anything to say? We'll do like this side. This side, this side. Yes, how was it?
So I felt I am a smart runner and I try to find some or other learning while running. Well, this has again added some confidence to my self-belief. Well, all this while I was running in a daytime where you have visuals. You can try, keep yourself engaged and you can run. But while in the dark, it's a different experience altogether. I feel refreshed. I can run 10 more
I can see
kilometers.
like it's like you woke up after running in
course.
middle of the night.
Oh yes.
Cool.
This was amazing run. Thanks to Gurleen and Running Roadies for such a wonderful experience.
Thanks for everyone actually because everyone has a role and
Oh yes.
so it's a unity that made it
Amazing,
possible
amazing.
and we're almost there 85 kilometer in. We are just heading to a 6 kilometer
Let's do it.
CCD.
Let's do it.
We'll party in CCD. So what about you, Chandru?
It was a good run. It was a different experience. I felt a bit difficult after 12k.
Uh-huh.
Still, I managed to run.
Nice.
It was a nice, different
It
experience.
changed you now. I mean like that like from inside like it
I
changes
thought
us.
because normally 21k I can normally do,
But
here,
not here. It's you
after
cannot just
12K,
expect
I
it's
felt
same.
very difficult. But still, I managed to do it.
Nice.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thanks, Gurleen, for the
Hey,
opportunity.
yes.
Yeah, it's a wonderful experience. Yeah, I ran for 10 kilometers again, had it 14. It's a bit difficult.
Yeah, because you switched in middle
ran
also.
insanely. This guy ran insanely.
Yeah, it was a very good experience. Thanks for the
It was really wonderful experience and thanks.
No. Your experience. You have to share your experience. Not like I'm like.
ups and downs.
Yeah, so it was really a wonderful experience. I never.
What was different than your normal training or events or because events would not be like this in middle of night we drop you go ahead like 8 kilometer we'll see you.
Yeah, that was one of the most memorable events.
You don't know the road and all. We did recce, we know the road, little bit of elevations and all, but you guys do not have any idea in middle of nowhere. So different, na?
Yeah, I really enjoyed this.
But you want to go again or? No, you tell me.
Yeah,
You want to go again? How many kilometers? Comfortable.
10.
10. Okay, 8 will add you to it. Okay, nice. Congrats. Now what we are doing is we are doing something good, something crazy. We are 6 kilometers away from our party zone, that is CCD, at 85 kilometers in and middle of night, middle of nowhere. 85 kilometer in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls who joined us for this thing. They will be running for next 6 kilometers. We'll be supporting, we'll be doing Facebook Live. I'll be the car, so we'll do Facebook Live. Our Subbu, I want to talk to Subbu also about. Subbu has been driving since past 2-3 hours, and he is crazy, like driving slow, and it will like make you very irritated and all. But just cause of like supporting runners and supporting this cause, and hopefully inspiring a lot of people to pull off this crazy thing of Bangalore to Mysore.
Which I don't understand.
So, yes. So introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Rizwana.
And what made you decide like you guys will do like this crazy like 6 kilometer stretch in middle of night and before 5 a.m.
I think this is the first opportunity when we got to run in the night. So that's making us crazy. Plus all these girls, these guys, their support.
And Gulin.
And of course Gulleen.
No, it's okay.
This is forceful, huh? So all of this and then of course all these girls and these guys support. Else we would have not thought of doing this in the night.
Yes,
So what do you have to say, Priyanka?
I have to say that we want
You're
to
very
run
cute.
and we want to complete the 6 kilometers and then party.
Party
We'll be there behind you guys. So that's like you are fully awake, fully rested. But we rest in Mysore Palace now. Nothing will stop us. And Latadi, and that's it. Naam hi kafi hai.
Purnima.
Latadi like actually challenged everyone. I'll share the story again. Latadi, it was just a joke like, hey, dame, bhage. Then it was like, okay, like all a slot where all the girls will be running in middle of the night, middle of nowhere. See, already feeling cold. So before sunrise, we won't waste much time. Warm up and then we'll just proceed. We'll be there and support vehicle. Subbu is driving. I'll be next to him. Facebook Live and we'll be doing. So Purnima is there and Anu is there. You have to say anything? You have to say anything? No, full running mode. So what you are seeing? Which coffee you are tasting?
Cafe latte, hazelnut
Latte, not latte, na? Not latte. Latte or latte? It's your choice. 6 kilometer you run or latte? So, okay, so we'll be like stopping in CCD, coolest location. And yes, that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 girl runners are there. Lot of support, lot of crazy energy from all of this thing. What do you have to say? Facebook Live. Okay, so that's it and warm up and we move forward. I'll do again this thing. Facebook Live from the way.